So it says here that the Sumatran tiger is the smallest of the remaining subspecies of tigers.
I cannot believe that there are bigger tigers in the world.
Well, sadly, all of the tiger subspecies are now endangered, so there aren't many left in the world at all.
They're so beautiful. Is that a male or female?
Well, it says here that the males are slightly larger and have a more bearded appearance. This is a female.
So tigers are like people. They have a gender difference in size and facial hair.
I guess so.
I wonder if that's the same for all mammals, that males are larger and have more facial hair.
That would be an example of inductive reasoning.
Oh, yeah. Inductive reasoning is when you make a general conjecture based on a few specific cases.
Yeah, that's right. So earlier we observed two specific cases, tigers and humans, and we inferred that all mammals follow the same pattern, that males are slightly larger and have more facial hair.
So how can we prove it?
It's really difficult to prove a conjecture, so scientists usually gather supporting evidence instead.
Well, these two lions provide evidence to support both our conjectures, that the male is larger and has more facial hair, if you count the mane.
That's true, but it's usually easier to disprove a conjecture since all you need is one counterexample.
So if we just found one example of a mammal that didn't fit the pattern,
The conjecture would be false.
well, let's keep looking. Now I want to know. Okay, go. So we didn't find a counterexample to our conjecture that females are smaller than their male counterparts. Does that mean we've proved the conjecture?
Not quite. We'd have to investigate all mammal species in order to prove it, and since there are over 4,600 known species, it would take some time.
But it seems more likely.
Exactly. Inductive reasoning is used a lot in science, and scientists would say that female mammals are more likely to be smaller than the male of the species. But they would continue to investigate to strengthen the conjecture.
Now, on the other hand, we found many examples of species of mammals that have no difference in facial hair between the male and the female.
Yep. So that conjecture is false, and we only need one case to prove it mathematically.
All right. So what about deductive reasoning? Is that also used in science?
Yeah. Deductive reasoning uses statements that are known to be true to make a conjecture.
So we know that gorillas are mammals, and we have a conjecture that female gorillas are going to be smaller than their male counterparts. So
Female gorillas are likely to be smaller than male gorillas.
So in that case, this probably is the male gorilla because he's a lot larger.
Yeah, you got it. And you've added more weight to your original argument.
nice.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
He's ignoring you.
He gets his popcorn.